My name is Iordanis Karagiannidis, and we are at UCLA at the Inflammatory Bowel Disease Center, and I'm trying to elucidate the effects of adipose tissue changes during inflammatory bowel diseases and how they affect the course of the diseases. Originally from Greece, I've been in Boston for 15 years. All of my studies were there, and then we moved here with our whole team, and we formed the IBD Center. I'm one of those that knew what they like early in life. I had an encyclopedia with animals, which I finished twice. It was 7 books that I had finished twice by the age of 10. One day I was reading all of my encyclopedias in the stairs of my grandfather's house. I was called to go inside, and the wind started blowing and it blew them away. And I was collecting them for days, actually, finding pieces. And I still have those encyclopedias in pieces, actually. I still never recovered some, but this is how into it I was. I was reading about animals every day when I was young. That was my focus. My motivation came from my interest in preservation. I've become very emotional at times hearing stories, personal stories, and how science has helped people recover. Nothing personal to me. And then this shifted into an extreme passion for making people happier, like relieving pain, basically. My goal in the lab is to one day to be able that I've contributed to a drug, or to the discovery, or put a piece of information that led to a discovery that saved one single life. Work at the lab is what you choose it to be. If you are confident and you trust other people, it is a great team experience. Every day you talk to other people, you discuss your problems, and it can be frustrating, but in the lab, frustration can lead to excitement very fast, because frustration comes from life. Life is complicated. It's very complicated for our brains. So the frustrations of the lab are an everyday event. But discussing with other people, putting brains together, leads so often to small realizations, small progresses that are so uplifting that renew your drive again to do research. Our job here is to create information, to create knowledge. And knowledge, pieces of knowledge, have a way of coming together and accumulating in somebody else's brain in order to create something, to go to the next level. My goal for the future is to create a team that produces good, solid, accurate data that can either lead us to an end, which would be a drug or a way to a drug, or can be used by other people to produce these ends.